start again. It's a rich thing.
So it's been a minute, it's been a while since I did a intro sequence like that, or a B-roll sequence like that. So as you saw in the beginning of the video where I was in Takealot, I was just browsing and I came across these i7 TWS earphones. I've seen it before, I think from AliExpress, and you know, obviously with the times that we're in, I think to buy anything from there would probably take months for it to arrive. Obviously you're going to get a quicker turnaround time with Takealot, so I placed my order on Friday evening, probably just after about 7 o'clock, and yeah, my earphones were ready by late afternoon. I think it was just before 5 on Saturday. I picked it up the next day. So first I want to talk about the look and feel of this earphones. Obviously Bluetooth, and yeah, when you look at the box, it looks okay. When you look at, you know, the way it is designed, the feel of it is actually quite cheap. You can feel that it is very plasticky. The lid, like you can see, it's slightly flimsy. So the actual earbuds themselves, they look, I don't own FreeBuds, or I don't own AirPods, but these look a bit larger compared to the normal AirPods or the FreeBuds, but they don't look too bad. Obviously mic input on one of the earbuds, and then on both of them they've got this little button on the corner here, which you are able to either pause a video if you're watching a video or listening to music, or answer a call. I must say my first impressions of the way it looks and feels, it's okay. Like, for the amount of money you're going to pay for this, I'm not going to complain about the quality of the make, just given that it is so cheap. So let us get over to specs. So yeah, this device has a CSR chip inside of it. They say it's a fast charging device. I haven't actually had the opportunity to charge it yet because I just collected it. And they're saying that it gives you about 3 to 4 hours either listening time or talk time on these earbuds. The Bluetooth version on here is version 4.2, and they claim that there's a standby time of 200 hours on this device. So now we get into the two last important points specifically related to these, one being the sound quality. Now again, for the price, you can't be mad at the sound quality that you're going to get out of this hardware, because it's cheap. So it's not going to sound great if you are listening to music, but if you are just taking calls, I think for me, I spend a lot of time in my car for the type of work that I do. So to take calls from this, it's definitely going to sound a lot better than what the Bluetooth in my car would sound like. And obviously the ease of not having cables running to your phone. This is just going to give you that freedom of movement so that you don't have to actually worry about your cords getting caught in any doors or anything, because that's happened to me before. So yeah, on the sound quality, not the best for music or video or any listening enjoyment, but for calls, I would say it's probably adequate to be able to use just on the go. Now the last and most important thing that you guys are probably wondering, the price. So the price of these, depending on which supplier you're buying from on Takealot, can range anything from 190 bucks to 235 rand. So like I said, all of the things related to this device in terms of audio quality, the look and feel, the specifications of the device, you can't be mad at the quality of it for the price that you're going to be paying for it. If quality of sound is what you're gunning for, then I would say save up a couple of more rands and, you know, just invest in a good pair of earphones, even try for the more expensive ones. But for me specifically, I love researching products, especially budget products, because they ultimately fulfill the same purpose as a lot of the more expensive stuff. Obviously, quality and use of enjoyment comes in there, but if you're easygoing, like, it's not going to be a major issue. So yeah, my recommendation, if you are strapped for cash and you just, you know, want something that gives you the freedom of movement, that is hands-free, then I would say spend the bit of money on this device. But if sound quality, if you are quite picky about that, then I would say don't spend the money on it. Rather save up some more bucks so that when you do have enough, you can buy a good quality pair of noise cancelling earphones or headphones that you can use for whatever you're going to use it for. So yeah, that was just my short review on this purchase, on this product. There are other models. I think that there's the i12 TWS. There's also a A9S or something like that. They're all a little bit more expensive, but none of them are more than $1,000. So yeah, I would say besides these headphones, I don't really own another pair of wireless earphones. I'll probably be using this over the next while just to see how it operates on the go. So that's all for now in this video. I hope I gave you guys some insight into the product. If you have any more questions, please pop it down in the comments below if it's specifically related to the product or any other tech products. I will be talking about finance and strategy on this channel as well. So I hope to see you back soon, and let's hope I gave you some value out of this video. See you in the next one. Peace.